How to set up shipping carrier on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to integrate or set up the shipping profile, also set up the shipping carrier into your Shopify store. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over your admin dashboard of the Shopify store that you own, of course. Then we are going to head over the settings. This is the first step. Now we're going to head over the, let's say the shipping. So we are going to head over the shipping and delivery. From here, we are going to set up the shipping rates. We're going to start by adding up here the products and also set up the shipping zones and add some rates. For example, here, we're going to use, for example, flat rates or use carrier or app calculated rates. So there is no carrier apps available for this zone. So you're going to set up here the zone that you have. For example, I'm going to eliminate this zone and add more countries, for example, or set up other things. So let's see here if we're going to set up another zone. So in case you are not going to get the carrier app or do not see after even adding the international zone, for example, it is okay. You are going to save the settings. Then make sure that you have at least added the standard, as you can see, like this rate. So you're going to add a rate. Then you are going to put the flat rate, for example, name here standard, like that. And then we are going to put a price of it, for example, just like that. We're going to click on done. Boom, we're going to save it. And here we have it. Now, what are we going to do? We have completely set up the shipping. Now I have an app that will help you, or integration that will help you to set up all of these and also get the labels. So here, this app is called Aftership Shipping Plus Labels. So basically it is going to have here some labels, and also it is going to have including the carrier. So we are going to integrate with 70 plus carriers. So you're going to get the help of, for example, DHL, TNT, USPS, and also all of the, let's say, carrier or shipping methods available. So basically also you're going to have here the labels. So you're going to print the labels and add them to your parcel. So if you want to see this app, it has a free plan. You're going to head over your store in here. So we are going to head over the admin dashboard. We are going to type the name of the app. We can search on the Shopify App Store, and normally you're going to see it. So after ship, this is it, shipping plus label. You're going to click on install, and then you're going simply to install this app. After that, you're going to start setting up the app with an account, and then you're going to start setting up the, of course, labels and the shipping carrier. So with that, I think that we have covered the necessary parts for the shipping or the carriers on how we can add the carriers. Obviously, you are going to see on the setting some of the standard carriers. If you're going to head over to shipping and delivery, you're going to scroll a little bit down. You're going to see them in these specific here. So you can set up the customizability in here for the delivery and etc. But in my case, it did not show up. So we are going to start the free trial in here and set up the shipping, as you can see, with the multi-carrier software. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.